Alright guys, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we'll reconstruct our navbar and add a few links to it. So just code along with me. So we're going to add two more links, our search link. So we'll just say link. So we create a link component and we set the path to /search. And this should have a closing tag actually, and the value is going to be search, just like this. I'm just going to copy and paste this, and then we'll create one for our auth user profile. So that should be auth profile, and then we are just going to see profile. And lastly, we need to add a link to the login page. But what we want to do is we only want the login link to appear when the user is not logged in. So to do that, we are going to take an isLogged prop. So we'll say it's logged, and then we'll use that to check if the user is logged, and that is the only time we want to display our login button or link. All right, so we'll add the logic here and say if not is logged. So if it's logged is false, that is the only time we want the login button to appear. So in here we'll just copy and paste this. Oh, we need to use the AND operator, just like this. So if the button is logged, this will happen. So we want the login, the path will be login, and the value will be login. All right, so if I head back to the browser and we refresh, now let's try and log in. We can see we have the buttons here. We have the search, profile, and login. So all of these should work. We have the search button, the profile button. Obviously we added a logic. Obviously we added a route guard that doesn't allow us to access the profile page unless we are logged in. So that is why if we click on the profile link, it brings us back to the login page. All right, now that we're in the login page, let's actually log in and see if the login link is going to disappear afterwards. So the username is Kolosafo and the password is 12345. If I hit submit, it takes us to the profile page, but the login link is still there. That's because we forgot to pass the isLogged prop back in our app.js file. So over here, in the navbar nested route, inside the navbar component, we'll just add the prop isLogged, and then we'll grab this isLogged value over here, just like this. Now, as you can see, the login link has disappeared. And if I refresh, as you can see, we now have it. If I log in again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I hit submit and the login link disappears. All right, that's the only thing we wanted to do for this lesson. And in the next section, we'll move into more advanced topics on React Router. Thank you so much for watching this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.